Joe Beermaster here, showing you a car that was repaired at an insurance company recommended body shop. If you notice, you look closely, the paint doesn't match from the front door. The front of the car is a green, called a metallic lime green, and the back is a darker metallic lime green. And that's what happened when the customer took it to an insurance company recommended auto body shop. Also, you'll notice it was hitting the front. The bumper doesn't match with the fender. There's a slight variance. And also the headlight. They use a cheap aftermarket headlight. That's what happens after a year. It dulls out, it flakes. All the inside color. Here's the original. Still good. The aftermarket died out. Again, you can see variance in color here. Cheap repairs. Pay a lot for insurance, but that's what you get when this insurance company recommended their body shop. And many insurance companies have repair programs. Tell you their quality. Look at this, doesn't fit here. Bumper doesn't fit. Cheap aftermarket. They never fit right. See the paint? Look at it. Look at the texture of the paint. It's rough. You can't see it. I don't think the camera will show you. There's nibs. They don't wet sand and polish, which is a necessary procedure. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching. Here's another one. Was repaired by a direct repair program. They used a cheap cleared the laminates. It might take 2 or 3 years. It looks good. Another recommended body shop repair job. What a joke.